Hello everyone, let me show you how to turn on and off the NFC feature on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So just let's go to settings, and here we need the very first menu, connections. And here we have NFC and contactless payments options. We can toggle it on or off. But let me show you an advanced way to control your NFC chip. So let's go to a notifications panel, swipe down from the top and swipe down once again. From here you can enable and disable different features of your phone, but so far we don't see an NFC feature here. So let's swipe left and look here. Still no NFC feature, but we can add it by tapping this plus icon and tap and hold on NFC button, then drag and drop to your notifications panel and tap done. That's it. Now you can simply make this icon blue by tapping, and it means that NFC is on, or toggle it back off. That's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.